My video is about getting rid of the ransomware, which is called Mppn. Mppn is a special ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. This Mppn ransomware encrypts files and adds a special Mppn extension to the files. Because of that, it is not possible to use the files anymore. My video is only for educational purposes. In my video, I'll show you what happens with the files after they get damaged by this ransomware. It's not possible to use the files anymore. Of course, before the ransomware attack, you can open your files without troubles. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that their files got damaged and encrypted with the Mppn extension. Of course, it's not possible to use the data anymore, and removing this Mppn extension manually also does not fix the issue either. Then the ransomware would tell the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it. Don't waste your money. I recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then after it gets successfully installed, you need to click on Start Scan button. Combo Cleaner would begin researching and investigating your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The scanning itself might take several minutes. It normally depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is, and it may also depend on some other factors too. There is a special feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. Combo Cleaner will show you the summary of threats at the end of scan. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner as the best solution to keep your data always under the protection against all sorts of other ransomware attacks.